Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 1, advanced project 1 to 7. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. If you need help in this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I will handle your complete MCGRAL SIMnet course. I will do your Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word with A plus grade. I am also handling other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, Java, MyLab Management, MyLab Business classes, Math, Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and each and everything I can do all online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do for you with A plus grade. So we will go to the MCGRAL SIMnet and we will go to Excel portion. Okay. Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 advanced project 1 to 7. Click the start file link, then complete the project. I have also downloaded this file. You can see, simply click the start file link, then complete the project using the instruction below. Click on start file, go to download folder. We will open our Excel file. Instruction is given and Excel file will be downloaded. So click on enable editing button first. Okay, step to complete this project is here. Okay, we need to complete this all step to complete this project. Mark the step as checked when you complete. Then point A, point 1 is that open the workbook, Board logistics, one Excel as start file. If the workbook open in protected view, click enable editing in the security bar. Okay, simply we will click on enable editing button. So the point 2 is that we will click on this checkbox. Point 1 is done. Question 1 is done. Question 2, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So 2 point is done. Point 3, increase the zoom size to 100% and display the grid line on the screen. Okay, we will increase the zoom size to 100% and display the grid line on the screen. We will zoom size 100%. Okay, and display the grid line on the screen. We will go to the view tab. In the show group, click on grid line checkbox. Okay, we will click on grid line checkbox button. You can see. So next, question 4, click the name box, type C34 and press enter. Okay, we will. This cell has formula that calculate the net income in a subtraction operation. You can see the formula in the formula bar. First point, we will click the name box, tap C34 and press enter. Okay. We will click the name box. We will enter C34 and press enter. Okay. So this cell has a formula that calculates the net income in a subtraction operation. You can see the formula in the formula bar. You can focus on my laptop screen. If you do not able to do this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A plus grade. You can see formula. So point 5, go to cell C12, use sum in this cell with the cell range B8 to B11, include cell B11 even though it is currently figure 1 to 116. Go to cell C12. Okay. Press is equal to enter sum function B8 to 10. So we will press enter. Sorry, B8 to B11. We will press enter to show result. Okay, you can see in this figure 1 to 116. So question number 6 is here. Delete one of the zeros in the value in cell B9. We will click on cell B9. We will delete one of the zeros in the value. We will remove one zero. Okay. So question number 7. Use sum in cell C32 with the expense data in column B. Okay. Use sum in cell C32. We will click on cell C32. Press is equal to and use the sum in cell C32 with the expense data in column B. Okay. Press is equal to enter sum function in cell C32 into column expense in column expense data in column B15 to B30 and we will press enter. So this is good. Okay. So question number 8, delete row 31. The formula that you looked at earlier has moved up to cell C33 and has adjusted for that location in the sheet. Delete row 31. Simply select row 31 and delete this. Right click on this and click on delete button. Okay, row 31 will be deleted from the sheet. So moving on, question number 9, apply number format and borders. Select cell B8 to B11. Okay. Select cell B8 to B11. So this cell is selected. So cell C12, cell B15 to B30, cell C31 and cell C33. So press command and select cell C12. Okay. So press control and select next cell B15 to B30. B15 to B30. Okay. So press control and then select next cell C31. C31. Okay. So the next cell we will select C33. C33 is the next cell. Press control and select C33. Okay, all cells is selected. Now point B of question number 9, apply the counting number format. Go to the home tab. In the number group, click on counting number format button. Okay, counting number format is applied. Point C of question number 9, decrease the decimal twice so that no decimal position display out of it column as needed. Okay, decrease the decimal twice. Go to the home tab in the number group. Click on decrease decimal twice time. Okay. So point D of question number 9. Sorry, out of it column as needed. Out of it column as needed. So we will go to the home tab and click on format button, click on out of it column with in the cells group. Okay. So we will go to the home tab in the cells group, go to the format button, click on out of it column with button. So this is good. So next point D of question number 9 is here. Select cell B9 to B11 and cell B16 to B30. First range is B9 to B11. Okay, press control and select second range B16 to B30. B16 to B30 is the next range. So both ranges are selected, both cells are selected. These value needed not include the currency symbol. Okay, these value need no include the currency symbol. Go to the home tab in the number group, open number dialog box. So we will apply currency number and none. No symbol, no currency symbol. Click on OK button. So the next point is point E of question number 9. Open the format cells dialog box, select accounting and set the sample to none. So we will select Open dialog box, number dialog box, go to the format cells and select count number format and symbol is none. No symbol. Click on OK button. This is good. So moving on next. Question number point F of question number 9. Apply a bottom border to cell B11, C12, B30 and C31. B11. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on borders button. Apply bottom border. So the next cell is C12. C12. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on border button. Select bottom borders. So the next cell is B30. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on borders button. Select bottom border. So next cell is C31. Again go to the home tab in the font group. Click on borders button. Select bottom border. Okay, this is good. So point G of question number 9. Apply a bottom double border to the cell C33. Click on borders button. Apply bottom double border. Okay. So moving on question number 9, I have done. So moving on question number 10, I have done 9 questions so far. Question number 10 is that delete column D to E. We will select column D to E and simply delete these columns. Okay, click on delete button. Right click on this. Click on delete button. Okay, both columns will be deleted from the worksheet. Question number 11 is that apply bold to cell A2 to A4 and set the font size to 16. We will select these two cells A4 to A2 to A4. This selects this range and go to the home tab in the font group. Apply bold. Click on bold button and font size to 16. Okay, you can see I have done 10 to 11 question of this project in my video, and you can see this grade on my laptop screen. I have done and I have submitted this project, and grades is shown on my laptop screen. 100% grade I have got in this project. Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 1 advanced project 1 to 7. I have got 100% grade in this project. If you need help in this project or you want to read for this complete course, complete MCGRA SIMnet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and I will do for you all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access with A+ grade. I am also handling other student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, MyLab Math, MyLab Calculus, Calculus 2, Management courses, Business classes and many more online classes. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.